really quick before the GoPro dies. Just wanted to show this. Got the 2016 Mustang done, the cage in it. Just got it kind of like wiped down on the dust off of it. Man, this thing is clean. But check it out. Just wanted to show you guys really quick how it came out. Got the door bars in it. It's got the swing out door bars. It's really nice. Got it painted. Just got the glass in it today. You can kind of see how tight everything fits in there. It's really nice. These seats are really nice. He had to get some raised seats, of course, because he has to get some harnesses put in. The harnesses he ordered don't really work because this thing is in the way, and like the spot where you tighten them is messed up. So yeah, check out the dash fitment. Fits all good. Really happy with how it came out. So fits really, really tight. Almost too tight in some spots. I wasn't able, well, I was able, but it sucked. I was almost not able to weld all of it just because of it. So yeah, I just got it wiped down. Fortunately, it's gonna get dirty just sitting in the trailer, so try to get it back to him as clean as possible, so that way when he goes to wash it, I imagine it won't be as bad for him. So yeah, just a little walk around. Thing is mean. So it did go high 8s already, makes about 1200-ish horsepower right now, and he put some bigger turbos on it, so hopefully he's gonna crank it up here in a couple weeks and hopefully try and make like 1400, he said. So I guess we'll see. Maybe if we see him out of the track, we'll have to get some footage of it. But yeah, just show you. Just thought I'd throw this clip in there randomly. Don't know what I'm gonna be filming next, so hope you all thought it was kind of cool. I'm gonna load it up and get it back to the owner. What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm not really sure what we're gonna be doing exactly, but we're gonna be for sure working on this 10-point cage for this Integra. So let me just show you guys. This is a good customer of mine. His name is Zoli. They have a they build motors over here. They build a lot of motors for PFI and everything too. 1320 DTR, but it's all stripped out. He brought it to me stripped out. The glass dude came, took out the windshield today. I've actually been working on this main hoop, so check it out. Got it tacked up in place. The next clips I'll be showing you for this will be welding it. Before we go any further though, I wanted to mention something that somebody sent to us. So I hit up Astro Tools and check it out. Perfect timing. They came out with these new wands, right? So I'm sure you guys have seen these before on Kyle's videos and Wyatt's videos, but they finally sent me some of these wands, and I've always been wanting one ever since I was working at Kyle's and I was using the wand. And then I saw they came out with this double-sided wand. Look at how cool this thing is. So it has the buttons back here. Your power button turns on the top LED because it has a top LED. And then you hit the power button again one more time and it shows just the one side. And then if you want both sides lit up, you hit this secondary button right here. And then check that out. It's so bright too. Like, look at that. It's so bright. So they sent your boy 2 of them. And it also comes with this sick wireless charger thing. It's magnetic, so you literally just take it and hang it right there on it. Don't have to plug it in no more. So simple. They also sent me this little LED light as well. The main ones I wanted were these ones. And why am I showing you guys this before we start this video? Well, I want to show you this because we're going to be using this a lot. So when I'm in here welding, like look, that's just the one LED. When I'm in here welding, especially like these plates or like any of the welds down here for the down bars, it's really hard to see because it's so dark. But these little wands are so nice because they have the, oh yeah, nice. They have these magnetic bases, and then also the newer ones, the old ones have like this little swivel head mount at the bottom, but these ones actually move on the head. So like now, if you have it in a weird spot and you need to move it, you can just flex the head and then it'll stay in the same spot. So these are super cool. I'm gonna be using these a lot in this video, so I wanted to mention it. If you've been needing a light, honestly, these wands are better than any flashlight I've had. I know a lot of like regular mechanics and whatnot use these like stream lights or whatever they are. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're stream lights, like these things right here. Yeah, this stream light, right? But honestly, these things are junk. Like the batteries don't ever last very long, and it takes forever to charge them, and they're too direct. So what you need is one of these wands. You don't need a big flashlight like that. These LED wands are so much better. They flood out the light way better. So go check them out if you guys need a light. I would highly recommend getting one of those because those things are super nice. So just got done eating lunch. Now we get to weld the main hoop. So I really like it. Use my trigonometry to figure out all these notches and everything. Even did a double notch if you want to see how much your boy has stepped up. Look at that, no gaps, super sick. Shout out to Wyatt, thanks for letting me use your bender and your notcher. I'm getting one soon, but thanks baby. Let's weld this. Been making some progress. I did get the halo up in there. Check it out, nothing like 3 ratchet straps. We got one, this one right here that goes across the roof, holding the actual halo up. And then we got one here, squeezing them together a little bit just to get a nice and tight fit right here. And then we have this one that's from here to the other side of the main hoop to actually like pull it together so I don't have to hold it tight while I'm tacking it. So it actually fits really good. These welds came out really good, I feel like. So yeah, look great. Pretty happy with it. Now I'm gonna work on these upper down bars for the dash. So this is gonna be a lot of times like what we do in the Hondas is we just hole saw right through the dash with it in place. So that means if you ever need to take the dash off, you actually are gonna have to like cut it and notch it. However, I mean, it's a race car Civic. These dashes, I mean, you know, it's just an Integra. So, but I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna hole saw through here and then get these bars made. And after that, we'll be moving on to the back bars here. Just a quick little tip for you guys. You never have too many ratchet straps while building the cage. So it's the next day. I got some of this stuff done. Well, I got the majority of the bars bent. I need to be bent, so I gotta add the door bars from the main hoop to the down bars. They fit pretty good with these notches up here and stuff. So yeah, pretty happy with how they came out. The halo is pretty simple too. And then I went ahead and got these back bars done up. So they follow up there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and once I hole saw through these and drop the hoop down and everything, and once I get it back up and it's all welded, I'm gonna add a bar that comes across from here to here, just to stiffen that up. Normally they have X braces in them. He says that he wants to put his kids back here, which is a terrible idea, but he says he wants them to be able to at least sit back here. So I'm not gonna X brace it. Probably should. It doesn't call for one, but yeah, just gonna add a bar across, probably like right here actually. So right now I'm at the point to where I mark around where I'll show you right here. Here's a mark. So I kind of mark where the holes are gonna be, where I hole saw. And then now I did that for all of the spots where it's gonna drop through, so everywhere up front as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and break these off just like this, and just break the tacks off of that other bar, the 2 front bars. And then the halo as well just has 1 tack on it. So I'll take everything back out. Actually, I was supposed to mark that right there. I'm kind of a dip. I don't know why I broke that off. But I mark them out, clean all the spots that still need to be cleaned. And then once it's all out, hole saw through the floor. And then go ahead and put it back in and tack it up and then weld it out. So I'm gonna break this apart really quick. And then I'll show you guys once I get it tacked back up and start doing some welding on it. Oh, no way. That's actually really funny. Oh, I can't believe I just caught that on camera. That's freaking hilarious. So I've had this drill for years, and the clutch part of it up here has always been super messed up. And I was just like, screw it. I'm going to keep using it until it destroys itself. And it just did that. I was just talking about this 2 days ago to somebody because he's making a whole bunch of clicking noises. I was almost through it too. That's so funny. Literally destroyed before I destroyed the motor. I'm honestly surprised they just did that. Kind of sucks. It's kind of annoying. They don't make drills like they used to. Oh, good thing I got an extra one. So I was going to weld in the base plates and get everything tacked up before I ended this video, just to give you guys more of a feeling of a completion. Actually, the battery on the drill died, so I had one more hole left and the battery died. I also need to go get the 6x6 plates, and I need to get some dry ice to take care of the sound deadening that is inside the car. And I also need to get, there's something else I got it written down on a list. However, I'm not really sure how much footage I have for this video, and I just thought I'd get this out there to you guys. And also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but check it. It's Memorial Day today, and it's kind of cool. I ordered a 8x10 American flag. Got here on Saturday, so I went ahead and installed it today. So thank y'all who have served or who are serving. And I think that's going to do it for this video. Jupiter says it's time to go home. She says, let's play, Lucy, but I don't want to play. What you doing, Jup? What you doing? You being a good girl. I know there's some people talking, saying that the shock collar isn't very nice. I actually don't shock her with it. Look at her. I just use the beep because it has a beep on it and the vibrate. So she listens really well, actually. Of course, she still does things that other dogs do, and she chases rabbits, of course. This dog actually chases rabbits with her. That's funny, they're playing. Get her, Jupe. Get her. Get her. Get her. What you doing? And then Lucy starts to play with her really rough, and Jupiter doesn't want to play. You guys are so weird, dude. Anyways, yeah, she's been listening very well. She still does chase rabbits and anything that moves or birds or whatever. But, I mean, Lucy does the same thing. So, just a dog thing. Ooh. Ooh. Be nice to her, Luce. Anyways, we'll come back at you tomorrow. Gonna go get those plates and whatnot, and then we'll make some more progress on this Integra cage. And we are one step closer to being done and working on the RX-7. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do the damn thing, and we'll see you next time.